What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to sign out all devices on Clash Royale. So if you're looking for a way to sign out from all devices here in Clash Royale, well, this one is fairly simple. We just need to do a bunch of digging here. So first method that you try here is via your email address. Now, if someone tries logging into your account, and if you click on search emails at the very top here and just type in Supercell, now, it should give you the option to see all emails that you receive from Supercell. Now, the thing with Supercell here is if you receive a warning, so it's going to say Supercell warning. If you click on that, it should give you the option to basically log out from all devices. Now, if you click on log out from all devices here, that should basically log out your account from all devices. But then again, this might not appear on your account here. As you can see right now, I don't have that email address. Now, what do you need to do here in order for you to log out from all devices? Now, what you need to do is you want to go and open up Clash Royale here, and you want to go and access your account. Now, in your account here, you need to access support. So that's the only way for you to log out from all devices. You need to contact support just in case you don't receive the warning email. Now, you want to click on the three bar icon at the top right here, and you want to go to settings, and you want to go and choose the help and support option. Now, you want to click on the bubble icon at the top right here, click on leave a message, and you just need to leave a message here that you need assistance on basically logging out or signing out from all devices here. So yeah, so once you leave that message, they will reach out to you again on what they could do for you. So they might send you an email that you can access to basically log out from all devices. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.